Today is Tuesday, so this is my Tuesday Kathak task session, and I'm going to be presenting two tihais, ginti tihais this time, and I will be discussing. It's not that I will be just dancing, so I can let you all know how to recite and how you can try it on your own, and maybe you can repost it on my Facebook page or on Insta if you want, and just let me know how did you find these two tihais. Right? Hi Ruchi. Okay, great. You can watch me. Thank you. And yeah, so basically we are going to do Ginti Tihai. So Ginti Tihai means, Ginti means counting numbers, and I have always found this particular subject very interesting. And I always keep creating different and new Ginti Tihais all the time. So that's my favorite pastime, you can say, and my favorite subject. So this Ginti Tihai is not in a very fast speed which I'm going to recite. It's going to be just in little Madhya Drutle. And I will just recite first, then I will show the practical little slowly, and then the speed in which you all can try it out. And then final, if I have to do these two tihais on the stage, how I would do these two tihais, in what speed, and how it should be able to connect with the audience. So okay, so let's recite the first tihai. I will explain you how to go on the tal also. Let me just tell you how the structure is. So it goes dha din din da dha din din da dha tin tin ta trak din din da ek do teen ek do teen ek do teen cha panche ek do teen cha pache sata dha ek do teen ek do teen ek do teen cha panche ek do teen cha pache sata dha एक दो तीन एक दो तीन एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ ढा. First tihai which I recited has a breather or a dam of 2 matras, that is 1 2. So you say एक दो तीन एक दो तीन एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ ढा 1 2. That is the breather. And if you want to say it on the tal, how does it go? Da din din da din din da da din din da din din da एदो तीन एदो तीन एदो तीचा पाँच एक दो तीचा पाँच सात आठ ढा 1 2. एक दो तीन एक दो तीचा पाँच एक दो तीचा पाँच सात आठ ढा 1 2. एक दो तीन एक दो तीचा पाँच एक दो तीचा पाँच सात आठ ढा. So the breather of 1 2 which I am saying, if you are getting lost in between this tihai anytime, so how do you catch it up? Is the breather which you say ek do or 1 2. Right now I'm saying in English so that there is a difference, because you're also counting numbers only. So ek do teen, or and again if you repeat ek do in the breather, you will get confused. So you have to always differentiate. So you can say 1 2 in English and the remaining tihai in your regular Hindi. So that do, the first time when you're reciting the tihai, the do comes on the sum, and the second palla when you're reciting, the ek comes on the sum. That's how you catch up if you're messing up any time during recitation or during the practical also. And of course you can go back and then come back and restart the whole thing. Right? So I'm again going to recite and emphasize those particular matras, right? When I come on the sum. Dha, din, din, da. दिन दा दा तिन तिन ता तक दिन दिन दा एक दो तीन एक दो तीन एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ ढा 1 2. एक दो तीन एक दो तीन एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ ढा 1 2. एक दो तीन एक दो तीन एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ ढा. This is how the first tihai goes, and I'm going to recite the second tihai. Right now I'll just recite and then I will show you on the ta. So it goes dha din din da din din da tin tin ta trak din din da edo teen edo ticha pache tak dhat dhan dhan da da dha edo teen edo ticha pache tak dhat dhan dhan da da dha edo teen edo ticha pache tak dhat dhan dhan da da. That's how the second tihai I have composed. Now here the breather is not of 1 or 2. It is just a breather of just one breather in between. And the following immediate matra, you say the second palla and then the third palla. So if you want to say it on the ta, dha din din da, din din da da din da tak din din da edo tin edo ticha pache tak tak dak dan da da edo tin edo ticha pache tak dak dan da edo tin edo ticha pache tak da. That's how it goes. I'm going back to my comments again. Hope everybody is enjoying. Hi Rahul. Hi mommy. So finally you're here. Yes, I could not connect it on the Insta, so I'm coming back on Facebook Live. So this was the second tihai. I'm going to just demonstrate the first and the second tihai in this little slower speed, and then I will show you how to connect it on the ta. First tihai, which is एक दो तीन एक दो तीन एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ धा. That's the first tihai which I'm going to show you little slowly. Da din din da da din din da da din din da ek din din da ek do तीन एक दो तीन एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः एक दो तीन चार छः सात धा एक दो तीन एक दो तीन एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः एक दो तीन चार छः सात धा एक दो तीन एक दो तीन एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः एक दो तीन चार छः सात धा. This is the first tihai, and I have composed it in this way. It's not necessary that you have to do it in the same pattern. You can have your own choreography or composition also. This is what I felt about this tihai. That's why I composed it this way. This particular tihai, when you're doing the ek do ticha pache, comes like a little surprise. So when you're doing ek do teen, ek do teen, ek do ticha pache, this is the surprise in this tihai. So you have to remember, if you want to choreograph anything or compose anything, you need to maintain the continuation and the aesthetics with the whole composition. It cannot be random words coming in or random movements coming in and you make a tihai, or any composition for that matter, right? So this was the first tihai. Now let me go on to the second tihai, which goes ek do teen ek do teen cha paँच छः tak dhak dhan dha. That's the tihai number 2. So how are you going to do? Din din dha din dha din dha din dha edo teen cha paँच tak dha edo teen cha So in this tihai, the dhana is the beauty. So whichever way you want to compose, the dhana has to be shown more prominently with your feet and with your action. If you can do that, that would be really great, because every composition has its own beauty. So if you emphasize those particular things, it creates that impact with the audience. Same thing with the padhans. Last time I was live on YouTube and I was in my Tuesday Kathak task, and I was telling about how do you create an impact with your padhan. So especially when you're reciting any composition, you need to make sure that you have that impact and you create a connection between the audience, your audience and you, so that they can enjoy. Otherwise, nowadays nobody goes for any classical concerts because it's so boring. So you have to make it more entertaining. So I find these Ginti Tihais play an important role in your entire performance, because if you keep dancing just the todas, just the paran, just the tatkar, lot of chakkars, people get bored and they are like, most likely they will go now on their phones. So if you want to keep them engaging, these particular things come handy. So I always feel that Ginti Tihais are like, you have a cake. I always say this to my students and everywhere I say this, that you have cake, cake is there, of course you're going to eat that cake, but if you have little more decoration, the sprinkles and those beautiful things, small things, it adds more joy to your eyes, and then while eating you also feel those flavors. So same happens with the performance. I feel that when you are dancing, complete technical, but in between if you sprinkle these tihais, it creates a very nice flavor, and of course the audience also gets very interactive with you, and that's how the rasa nirmiti is created. So you become one with your audience, and that's why they enjoy. So I always feel that you should have these kind of gimmicks in between to create more joy. So I'm going to start my tabla, and I'm going to show you all that what speed we have chosen for this particular thing. Thank you. Din din ta tak din din. Edo edo teen, edo teen, edo ticha pache, edo ticha pache sata dha. 1 2. Edo edo teen, edo ticha pache, edo ticha pache sata dha. 1 2. Edo teen, edo ticha pache sata dha. This is the first tihai. Now I will recite the second one. Din din da, din din da, din din da, din din. Edo teen, edo ticha pache, taka 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 da 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 da. Edo teen, edo ticha pache, taka 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 da 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 da. Edo teen, edo ticha pache, taka 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 da 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 da. So, yes, you can see me. Okay, great. So, we are going to perform this now. I will show you in the exact line. Let me just actual tihai, which you can practice in this speed, and depending upon your capacity you can keep changing the speed, and as I said that this creates a lot of entertainment while you're performing, right? So you can increase and create that entertainment with your audience. So if I have to do this tihai, I would not do in this speed, but I will try to do little faster, so it adds more entertainment, right? The first one. This is how you will be presenting in front of the audience when you're on the stage, to create that interaction between you and your viewers or your audience. I hope this was a really good session and you guys are going to try this because these are the 2 Ginti Tihais which I had composed for my Tuesday Kathak task. I hope everybody liked these 2 Tihais and you would like to try it. Thank you, Pranali. Thank you, thank you. I love the sea. Yeah, thank you. It was like a lot of hodgepodge with the session, but I'm glad I could make it and I could interact with you all. Yes, thank you, Shivani. I will encourage you all not to just watch me, but you can try this. It's there right now. I have shown in different speeds. So how to recite, how to perform. So I would love if you all can come and show me this Tihai with your videos also. That would be a perfect interaction, right? Though we are most people I don't even really know in person, but just with art and music, dance and music, we are just getting connected. So I would love to hear back from you all also. Yes, thank you. I always try to put some feelings, some story to each composition I make. Otherwise, I'm not able to connect them at all. So, yeah, I love coming live because I feel we are actually interacting. When I'm doing my pre-recorded videos and I share it with you all, there is little that missing thing, and that's why I love coming live. So at least by commenting, I feel that I'm connected with everyone. That's what I love. We are missing actually all our live shows. Those artists who are with me right now on the live session, I'm 100% sure that they must be relating to what I'm saying. Okay, thank you so much and take care, stay safe, stay home. Bye-bye. Namaste.